Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about trigonometric identities. Let's see. What is trigonometric identities? Trigonometric identities are useful whenever trigonometric functions are involved in an expression or an equations. That's it. Then, trigonometric identities are equations that are true for the right angle triangle. Okay, now we are going to see basic trigonometric identities. See here, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Next, cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Then, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Next, secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Next, cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. These are reciprocal identities. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Next, cot theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. These are quotient identities. Next, we are going to see sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Then one more is there. Next, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These three are Pythagoras identities. These identities are very basics. Next, cofunctions of complementary angles are equal. Let's see. Sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin and cos are cofunctions. Same thing, cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. Next, tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan and cot are cofunctions. Same thing, cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Next, secant 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Secant and cosecant are cofunctions. Same thing, cosecant 90 degree minus theta is equal to secant theta. These are complementary angle identities. We discussed about reciprocal identities, quotient identities, Pythagoras identities and complementary angle identities. These are very basic identities of trigonometrics. From this we will get more identities. Next, this is summary of what we have seen before. See here, reciprocal identities, next quotient identities, next complementary angle identities, next Pythagoras identities. These are very basic identities. From this we will make more identities for our giving equations or an expressions. Okay, now we will see how to make possible identities from one identities using these basic identities. Let's see. See here, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. This is one of the basic identities. From this, how to make more identities. Sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Next, tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. This is also one of the basic identities. Sin theta is equal to cos theta dot sin theta. Sin theta is equal to cos theta divided by cot theta. Sin theta is equal to tan theta divided by secant theta. Sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. Next, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, see here. We have written possibilities of sin theta identities. How? It came from only basic identities. How it came? Let's see. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. This is reciprocal identity. See here. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. See here. Both are vice versa. Next. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Both are vice versa. Next. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. See here. Both are vice versa. Next. Complementary angle identities. See here. Sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. Next, tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Vice versa, cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Next, secant 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Vice versa, cosecant 90 degree minus theta is equal to secant theta. Next, tan and cot. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Next, Pythagoras identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These concepts are the useful to the making one identity to the another. Next, sin theta. What is the possibilities of sin theta? These are possible identities. In expressions or in equations, instead of sin theta, we can use these identities for solving problem. Like this, we can write for another trigonometric ratios also. Let's see. Cos theta and tan theta. What is the possibilities of cos theta and tan theta? Let's see. First, we are going to see cos theta. Here, first think about basic identities. Where and all cos theta is presented and where and all cos theta related to another. Let's think. If you remember that, you can write possible identities. See here. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Next, tan theta is equal to sin by cos. Cos theta is equal to sin into tan theta. Cos theta is equal to sin divided by cot theta. Cos theta is equal to tan theta divided by cosecant theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta into cot theta. These and all from basic identities only. Think it. Next, tan theta. What is the possibilities of tan theta? See here. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. From this we can write tan theta dot cot theta is equal to 1. Next, tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. From this we can write below 3 identities. Next, complementary angle identities. Tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Next, Pythagoras identities. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. From this we can write below 2. Then rest of cosecant, secant and cot theta is there. You have to work out. How to make possible identities of cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta? First, you have to remember basic identities. Then next see our example of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta possibilities. Then you can make easily. Don't want to memorize anything. You have to understand the concept. Next we are going to see trigonometry table. It is very important in trigonometry for solving problems. See this table. We studied half of the table before video. This one. Then this table shows trigonometry functions of 0 degree to 90 degree. Before video we have studied sin, cos, tan of 30 degree to 60 degree. We will see rest of things. Let's see. Now we are going to see sin 0 degree. See this right triangle. In a triangle, theta is equal to 0 degree means no opposite side. That hypotenuse is lying on adjacent side. Opposite is equal to 0, adjacent and hypotenuse is equal. Let's remember formula. Sin theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is equal to 0. Which means 0 divided by anything is equal to 0. That is sin 0 degree is equal to 0. Next, cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Next we see sine of 90 degree. See here, theta is equal to 90 degree means no adjacent side. Hypotenuse is lying on opposite side, which means adjacent is equal to 0, hypotenuse is equal to opposite side. Let's see, sine theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Here opposite is equal to hypotenuse. Then sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Same thing we will follow cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse means 0 divided by anything is equal to 0. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Okay, if you want to remember this table, simple way, see here. You have to remember this first line. That's it. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. Cos 0 degree is equal to sin 90 degree minus 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is equal to sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree value is equal to 1. Then cos 0 degree is equal to 1. That's it. You have to remember this. Next, cos 30 degree is equal to sin 60 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Next, cos 45 degree is equal to sin 45 degree. Sin 45 degree is equal to 1 divided by root 2. Then, cos 60 degree is equal to sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree value is 1 divided by 2. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 divided by 2. That's it. Next, cos 90 degree is equal to sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree value is 0. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. That's it. Second line is completed. Next we are going to see third line. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Tan 0 degree is equal to sin 0 degree divided by cos 0 degree. You have to apply values. Sin 0 degree value is 0. Cos 0 degree value is equal to 1. 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. Now tan 0 degree is equal to 0. We have to apply same concept for rest of things. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 divided by root 3. Next, tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Next, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Next, tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree is equal to sin 90 degree divided by cos 90 degree is equal to 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 means not defined, that is infinity. Tan 90 degree is equal to infinity. Now we got 3 lines. Next, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. It will be easy. See here, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Now, cosecant 0 degree is equal to 1 divided by sin 0 degree is equal to 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 means not defined, that is infinity. Cosecant 0 degree is equal to infinity. Same thing we will follow for another's. Like this we are making cosecant of 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. See here. Next we are going to see secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 divided by cos theta. Secant 0 degree is equal to 1 divided by cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree value is equal to 1. Then secant 0 degree value is equal to 1. We have to apply same concept for rest of angles. Then we'll get secant 30 degree is equal to 2 divided by root 3. Secant 45 degree is equal to root 2. Secant 60 degree is equal to 2. Secant 90 degree is equal to infinity. Next, cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 divided by tan theta. Cot 0 degree is equal to 1 divided by tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree value is equal to 0. Cot 0 degree is equal to 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Like this we have to apply another angles also. Cot 30 degree is equal to root 3. Cot 45 degree is equal to 1. Cot 60 degree is equal to 1 divided by root 3. Cot 90 degree is equal to 0. Like this we can make table simply. Okay, thank you.